Hi, this is Tom Nelson, owner of Nelson Racing Engines. We're here in my dyno room testing this 428 cubic inch twin turbo Ford. This is one of our crate series, and it's a really neat package. Makes 1,500 horsepower at 36 pounds of boost, and it makes over 1,000 horsepower on 91 octane. And as you can see, we're testing it with the Dynomax bullet. This is a 3-inch bullet, and it's a really neat muffler because it's just a straight through design, and it doesn't take away any horsepower on the dyno, which is a lot to be said when you are making 1,000 horsepower, that it actually doesn't take away any horsepower. So we run them in the dyno room, and we also run them on the cars, and it's a way to quiet the car down without losing horsepower. So we just made 1,104 foot-pounds and 1,079 horsepower, about 20-ish pounds of boost through the mufflers. So that's really pretty awesome when you're doing that through a muffler. And there's a lot more to be had. There's another 400 horse to go.